Hello students, here we are again. This time we'll be working on Sort 9 on the activities for Sort 9, which are beginning consonants C, Y, and B. Words that they have the beginning consonants of C, K, Y, J, J, and B, B. So as you can see in the example over here, car, C for C, car, Y, yard, and B, bike. So students, to begin with, take a look at this page. I have I put in the spelling for all of you to see. So all of the spelling is in here now. I'm gonna leave this on for about a minute so that you guys can take a look at the correct spelling of the um, of the form for each card. I'm sorry. So for example, car, yard, bike, boot, calendar, baby, bath, camera, yogurt, bib, bus, cave, book, yo-yo, cut, boy, computer, and yell. So again, please take a look at the page and make sure that you have the correct spelling for each of your cards. Like I said, I'm gonna leave this in here for a minute so that you guys can copy the correct spelling of the word. So I'm gonna stop talking right now. Leave the page up for about a minute. Copy the correct spelling, and then I'll get back to you guys. All right, very good, you guys. I hope you had enough time for you guys to be able to copy the correct spelling for each of your words. I'm just gonna quickly go back and say the word because in the first activity that I'm gonna have you guys do is you will be able to pronounce the words, and I want you guys to make sure you're pronouncing it correct. So number one, car. Two, yard. This next one, bike. Boot. Calendar. Baby. Bath. Camera. Yogurt. Bib. Bus. Cave. Book. Yo-yo. Cut. Boy. Computer, and yell. So again, in the first activity, you guys are going to have the opportunity to practice the correct pronunciation of the word, and I hope you had the opportunity to spell it correctly. You can replay this video in case you need to go back and look at the correct spelling again. But now I'm going to move on to the activity that you guys need to do to work on next. So here it is. So these are words are for Sort 9 for the Sort 9 activity. Number one, we kind of worked on it already, which is to check for the correct spelling of the word. You guys have an opportunity to copy the word from the first page that I showed you. Number two, you have to practice saying the word out loud to a partner. In this case, I'm gonna you guys have. I want you to, after finishing watching the video, you can go ahead and practice with one another saying the word out loud. Three, as a group, write other words that begin with the same sound. I'm gonna switch back to the other page so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. So, for example, in the first card over here for car, I wrote the word cat because both words have the same beginning sound, car and cat. Then for the word for the next one, which is yard, for the next picture card, I also wrote the word you, yard and you. They have the same beginning sound. If we look down here for a bus, I wrote the word back. So for number three, I would like for you guys to in your cards, in the same cards that you have. I know you have cut them already, but on the same cards, I would like for you guys to write another word that has the same beginning sound. You can work together in groups to make sure that you come up with different words, and you guys can have the same words in your cards as long as you guys are working together. All right. I'm gonna go back now to the activities. So that was number three, which is to work as a group with other and to find other words that begin with the same sound. Okay. And I just show you the sample on that page. And last but not least, begin writing your 5 sentences. All right. Only this time, I want to ask that you guys use two of your words into one sentence. All right. So, for example, if we go back, let's say I'm going to use bike and boy. The boy rode his bike. All right. The boy rode his bike. So, if you guys see over here, I'm going to type it. The boy uh, rode his bike to school. How's that? And I am using the word boy. I'm gonna underline it for you guys, and the word bike. So I use two of the words from your cards. So I need you to write 5 sentences, and each of those 5 sentences you need to use this time. You need to use two words from your cards. Good luck. Take your time, and as always, you can work in groups. All right. Good luck.